We're happy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes. We're always together.
Welcome back to the Amusement Archive. We're going to go on the Gran Fiesta tour, one of my favorite dark rides in Disney World. Let's go.
And if you have children with you, please watch them. Gracias.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del auto. Y cuide de su pequeñito. Gracias.
Legend has it there's a hidden Mickey in that smoke, but I don't know where it is.
Excuse me, have you seen a duck? Hey, hey, hey! Wrong duck! Goodbye! ¡Ay, caramba! Pero no. Caballeros, caballeros, de seguir See you again! Hey, that's so cool! Coming on a terrific audience! See you next time! Goodbye! Hey amigos, thanks for coming to Mexico! Come again soon! We'll be waiting for you! Adios amigos! Come again! See you next time! We'll be watching for you! Catch us on tour! Viva Mexico! Goodbye!
Such a fun dark ride. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. Got tons of videos, so check the playlist. Find something you're interested in. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.